Good, how are you? Understood.
Just got out of the shower, was getting ready to go to work, and I heard a big boom, and I opened the door. This gentleman here was standing there with a sledgehammer. He knocked my window out, and he went like that at me, so I just went back inside and called y'all.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
33, what do you say? He's got a rifle. Hey man, we just want to talk! We won't come near you, hold on.
Copy, the male has a rifle.
Sir, drop the weapon, come out and talk to us.
Copy, units need to step it up. Winchester, 45, 48, 54, 57, EB route also.
Hey man, we're not gonna come near you, let's just talk.
You guys in a safe location? I'm around, passing you Millwood.
Sir, will you talk to us? Explain to us what's going on. Explain to us what's going on. Yes, sir.
We're not gonna come near you, man, we just want to talk.
Will you talk to us?
What's your name?
Sorry, 3 stat check.
Step.
Hey Eric? Can you hear me?
20 hours of clear, is that okay?
Get back! God damn.
33, stat check.
Winchester, we got multiple shots fired. I believe he hit me with 651.
Copy, shots fired, multiple shots. 60, shot by cruiser. I copy, shot 651. He's standing right behind me, I can't get out of my car. Copy, he's behind 651, can't get out of the vehicle. 14 redirect.
I'm almost there, Winchester. Contact SWAT, CMT.
Tell him to get behind the building.
Yeah. Eric? Eric, put the rifle down! Perry. Go. Yep, I've got him. I got a direct line.
That's up. Go ahead and take it.
Eric, drop the rifle! Drop it now! Move! Move! Drop the rifle! Drop the rifle now! 45, are you clear?
One shot's fired. It's going to see him in.
Copy, 1 shot fired, 10 EMS, 7 right. 7, I'm clear, I'm out of my car.
10-4. Everybody hold your position. He's down on the ground. I lost contact. Hey, move right and get me a visual. He's 12 o'clock. Eric, show me your hands now! Watch that rifle. Watch his hands, watch his hands.
Hands are covered, hands are covered.